In this video, I will show you how to create an account on YouTube Kids. So, download YouTube Kids from Play Store or App Store and open it like this. Click Get Started. And right now, click Yes, Skip. And right now, choose here your email that you want to use. For example, me, I will use one of my email from here and click Sign In. As you can see. And click here. Just scroll this and click Confirm your email. Click Enter your password. After entering your password, click Confirm. And yeah, your kid's name, you have to complete this. And right now, click Skip. And click Skip here also. Click Select. And if you wait. And this is the profile that you create. And click Yeah, Skip. And click Yeah, Skip here again. And click right now on your profile. And it's going to take you right now to YouTube Kids. That's all in this video. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe, and bye.